Hey there, and welcome to this React course. During the course I'll show you the basics first, and then we'll dive into some advanced features. We will be building an application with TypeScript, React, React Router, White Bundler, and ChatGPT. This will be an app where you will be building your own cheat sheet for React library with explanations of React concepts which will suit you personally. In this video, I will briefly introduce you to SPA or single page application and what is reactjs and why it's so popular and widely used. An SPA is a web application that loads a single HTML page and dynamically updates that page when user interacts with an app. This allows for more seamless and faster user experience compared to traditional multi-page applications. To build an SPA, we could write all the necessary JavaScript ourselves. However, this can quickly become complex and difficult to manage. That's why we use frameworks like React. Let's compare how React SPA works with traditional website. Alright. This is the React official website, and let's click through it. As you see, it's working really fast and smooth. There are no any delays when a page are loaded. And this is the traditional website. So as you see, when page reloads, it looks like really not that good. Page are reloading, the interface is jumping around, and this is not fast and smooth at all. Alright, to understand React, you should have a basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you are completely new to this topic, please check out my HTML course. So, what is React? Simply put, React is a JavaScript library used for building single-page applications. Why choose React if there are other libraries, Angular or Vue? Well, I could say something like it's flexible, easy to use, and had great performance. Yeah, we all know that this is like technical masterpiece. But the main thing with React nowadays is that it is simply the most popular library for SPAs. It is developed by Facebook and it has the biggest community of developers. And because all of that reasons, there are simply more job offers for developers with React, not with Angular or Vue. So, if you are just starting and want to pick up your first SPA framework to learn, my advice is to go with React. But is it easy to learn? I would say in this way, it is easy to start with React. In its depth and advanced features, it is not a piece of cake, but you know, practice makes perfect. In the next videos, I'll show you the starter project, how to install it, and start coding along with me. So, that's it for course introduction. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel to stay tuned, and happy coding!